Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your Facebook language on your Android device. So by mistakenly or accidentally your Facebook app language was changed. Now you want to set the default language, means English language, back to your Facebook app. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. First open the Facebook, and in the top right side corner of your screen you can get three lines option. Just tap on it. Okay, now scroll down. At the end you can get the option settings. Just tap on it. Okay, and in the settings guys, slightly scroll down. In the preferences section you can get the language and region option. So if you have set other different language accidentally, now you don't able to read that language, so you can open the fifth option from the preferences section. Okay, the fifth option is language and region, like this. Just open it, and from here you need to open the first option like this. Now it will open the language section. As you can see, from here you need to select the English language. That's it. So this is the easy and simple method to change the Facebook language on your Android device. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.